This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned black beans. First, always rinse your canned black beans under cold running water. This step is crucial for removing excess sodium and improving their flavor. Use a fine mesh sieve to drain them thoroughly, ensuring no extra liquid remains. While they drain, gather your favorite seasonings. Think about fresh aromatics like diced onion and minced garlic, along with spices such as cumin or chili powder, to build a delicious base for your beans. Now let's get cooking. In a medium pan, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add your thoroughly rinsed and drained black beans to the pan. Pour in about 1/4 cup of vegetable broth or water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. To achieve a creamier texture, you can mash about 1/3 of the beans directly in the pan with a fork or potato masher. This creates a richer consistency without needing to add extra fat. Taste your beans and adjust the seasonings as needed. A pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten the entire dish. These flavorful black beans are perfect as a side, in tacos, or as a base for a hearty bowl. Proper storage ensures you can enjoy your delicious black beans later. Once cooled, transfer any leftovers to an airtight container and refrigerate them for up to 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, you can freeze them in freezer-safe bags or containers for up to 2 months. They reheat beautifully. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. It's a fantastic way to add convenience and entertainment to your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.